Okay, I got your record now, Junior.
Okay.
So you're saying this is your air in?
This is the air supply, which is an 1.25 line, I believe, maybe 1.5
right.
line. It's the volume of air that thing requires to run. Anyway, here's the lines going to the air motor of the size of volume of air that it requires on those 2 lines.
Right.
So, and I have this lock mechanism out of here because we don't have enough air volume to supply the motor and supply the brake release. So I have to take the lock out in order to get the drum to run on the thing. Where's that now? Okay. Now to make it run either direction. What's that, Matt? Wonderful. All I'm doing is hooking up a air supply. Give me that red hose over there, Tom.
But if you had enough volume air, you wouldn't have to do what you're doing.
I think.
There's a new one.
There's the drum turning. See, this bottom is an exhaust. I have to go out somewhere to get rid of the air, so that. Huh? Well, there's not enough air volume. You got the pressure, you just don't have. You need, if you wanted to take that plug out over and hook up a great big line or something. Now you're going the other way. That gives you time to charge that air motor. When you hit it, it'll burst out of it. How much air it dumps. Takes a lot of air. Looks like a monster air motor. Need a big one. What I would do.
Why that thing has such a big line and
out here, and I think that's opening up that air brake. But I don't have enough volume to maintain the pressure to hold the brake open. So I had to take this little lock pin out of there to get it to run.
How many ton is this show?
5. That's what it says right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is the limit switch for the down position, and it is a worm gear operated mechanism. When the hoist goes all the way to the bottom, it will stop to keep from unspooling the cable. Also have a limit switch inside on the upstroke that would stop the cable from coming up and deadheading the block on the cable. This is your up and down controls. It does have airflow in both directions, but I'm not getting the control to actually switch one of these valves in here, which is a reversing type valve. But the control does work. The limit switches are putting air through, but it does act like there's a restriction in the airflow. Maybe on that. I don't know.
Okay.